This is Mercedes-Benz new C-Class W205 installed Navitech video interface, which fits for W222 new S-Class also. We have installed aftermarket touch navigation system. We also sell touch panel together with the video interface. And also, when you press once more for screen switching, we have added 360 degrees around view camera called Omni View. It's made in Korea. You also can change the view by pressing the upper arrow on the steering wheel. It changes from the front to the back screen, left and right side camera, and goes back to the front again. And also, when you press the star button here, it directly goes back to the OEM screen. And when you press the reverse transmission, it shows the full camera 360 degrees with FPG and PDC. When you go back to drive, it shows the front camera for 10 seconds. So when you press the return button for 3 seconds again, it goes back to the OEM. You have 3 buttons to switch the screen. One is return button here, and one is press short, the Navi button. Or you can press the return button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds. When you want to go to the OEM screen right away, then you just have to press the start button here. Short.